Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be just getting ready, glowing up, and taking you on a day in the life of Liddy. I don't really have too much going on today. I have a surprise party at night for my best friend's mom, so that's gonna be exciting. I'll take you guys there. I'm gonna be doing some makeup now and having lunch, so I'll show you guys what I'm gonna make. We're doing makeup right now, and I've always done really natural looks. I'm not the type of person that likes to do crazy makeup. Even if I'm going out, like, I won't do crazy makeup. I think the craziest that I'll do is probably like purples and like pinks, and I also have a nice green palette. This is the Malibu palette by Lorac. I'll show you guys how it looks. It's so cute. It's the Malibu Free Spirit palette. I love it so much. I have absolutely no problems with it. As you can see, the shades are like super natural and cute. I'm currently using the shade Longboard, which I think is like their bronzer, but I just use it on my eyes because why not? When it comes to makeup, I do not go by any rules. I kind of just do as I please. I do not even stress it. Okay, so I'm going in with Afternoon Rose, and I'm putting that on my crease, which I kind of regret that I did that. I don't know if this is gonna look good. We'll find out. So we're gonna go in with Cliffside View, which is such a nice like shimmer. It just has like fallout. It has fallout, but we'll clean it up later. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I think it's pretty cute. Let me look in the mirror really quick. Yeah, this is pretty cute. So I'm just going to grab Beach House, which is the nice little like pearly shade over here, and just put that in like my inner corner. All right, so I'm using the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. Certainly not my favorite mascara. My favorite mascara is in my car, and I'm hoping that it comes back in one piece. We'll just use this one for now because I just really want to eat. I'm kind of hungry. I have been trying so hard to eat every single day, you guys. Like, that sounds so bad. I mean, I eat every day, but like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and like snacks, and drinking all my water. I've been so like on top of that, and well, trying to be on top of that. And I just feel like that makes your all-around well-being so much better. If you guys want some like easy recipe ideas, because I'm not gonna lie, I am lazy. When it comes to cooking, I do have a lot of fun doing it. As long as I have like all my ingredients, I love to cook. But sometimes I'm like in a rush, not lazy, I'm just in a rush. I'm always in a rush, I'm always running around. It's definitely like a toxic trait of mine. It's like waking up kind of late and being like totally addicted to my bed. Yeah, it's definitely a toxic trait that I have. So yeah, I'm going to try my very best to start waking up early, and I say that every day. But I think the issue really does lie with I sleep way too late, and I expect to wake up at like 7 in the morning when I sleep at like 2 in the morning. Like, no, your body needs sleep, Viviana. Time for lip gloss, which let me use my little mirror because, y'all, this is the Item Beauty lip gloss, and I love it. I got it as a PR product, like just they sent it over to me, and this makeup kind of slays. I really do love the lip gloss look and the consistency. I think it's so nice. Hair is done, and I'm gonna throw on these really cute gold hoop earrings. I have like 2 different sizes. I think every girl should have small and large hoops. Like, look at how cute and fun they are. I love them. I'm gonna throw on some blush. I have this Freck Beauty cheek slime, which is so cool. It's literally just like a slime, and it's like a blush. It's so nice though. I did get this as a PR product as well, and I think this is definitely a product I would purchase when it finishes. I just put like literally that much on my finger. So little, you don't have to put a lot. And then I just dab them both on like my 2 index fingers, and then you kind of go and blend it in. I'm gonna go do that really quick. This is how it looks. I think this looks really cute for tonight. I'm loving it. So yeah, me and you guys are having like a really bad hair day, you don't know what to wear, go with pigtails. It's just so cute, so easy, and I'm just throw on some nice hoops, and it actually looks so nice. It makes your outfit look so cute. And this is definitely not what I'm wearing tonight. I'm gonna wear a nice black dress, but I need to take it to my grandma's to get hemmed, so I'm also going to do that when I go to her house. So time to make some food. I'm gonna show you guys Zazu real quick. She's definitely going to be screeching in my video. I'm gonna be making a chipotle-like burrito, which I actually already did this, and it came out just like chipotle. The only problem is I don't have sour cream. Oh my gosh, I don't have sour cream. Let me know in the comments if you're team sour cream or not. All you need to make this burrito is rice, which I use instant rice, and this is the jasmine rice. I got it from Aldi. Everything that I got is from Aldi, by the way. This is the jasmine rice that I do. We just put it in the microwave for like 40 seconds. You need tortillas, which I use the La Banderita Soft Taco large large flour tortillas. These are so good. These are my favorite, and I'm so picky with tortillas, so I love those. Make some shredded mozzarella cheese. Can't go wrong with cheese. And guys, I found this for $7 at Aldi. It's like a big thing of, not so big, but it's a good size of chicken, a rotisserie style pulled chicken. So good. You can do so much with this. I made a chipotle burrito with it. I made a buffalo chicken sandwich. I made tacos. You can do so much. You can even do like a chicken type of like melt. So good. So I highly recommend getting this. And cilantro to throw on your rice. I just like to make my tortilla a bit crispy. So I like to throw it in either like the conventional oven. Is that the conventional oven? I don't know what that's. What is that? I don't know what that thing is. Anyways, like a little tiny oven. I'll show you guys. This thing, I like to throw it in here to crisp a little bit, to get a little crispy. Or I can make it on the stove. Right, Vader? So first thing I like to do is get my tortilla, scope it out because you never know. Actually, I guess I could put some chicken on it already. Just gonna get the chicken and throw it on your tortilla. I've been really wanting to like travel lately. I've just been in like the travel mood. I have my passport and I've been wanting to go to like Italy, France, pretty much Europe. I'm like in the Europe mood. Oh my gosh, Hawaii. I have been like kind of putting it out there that I want to go to Hawaii. Right now I'm gonna make the rice, which I don't know why the rice is always so hard to open. The rice smells like Play-Doh, you guys. This is how the chicken looks. So delicious. And I'm gonna throw in the rice right when it's done. And then I'm gonna put cheese. And then I'm gonna throw, oh no wait, cilantro with the rice. And then cheese. And she's done. Feel free to leave some comments on where you think I should go. Burrito looks so good. So I just put the cilantro, the rice, and now it's cheese time, which is my favorite. I love cheese, you guys. It's like an obsession. It's a strange addiction. I love cheese. Use the messy presentation, but here's the burrito. I'm going to now stick it in the little oven that I showed you guys. All right, so I'm just going to let it broil for a couple of minutes and I'll show you guys the final product. My camera died, but this is how the burrito looks like. I'm going to currently fold it up. Ooh, it's super crispy too. I wish I knew how to fold a burrito correctly because I don't. This thing looks like a hot mess. Well, this is how it looks. Let's see. It's so good. It literally tastes just like the chipotle one. Oh my gosh, this burrito though is like breaking apart on me. The cilantro carries the meal. I'm gonna have some water because I'm trying to stay more hydrated. Okay guys, so I just had lunch. It was so good. The burrito was delicious. It was just like Chipotle. And now I'm heading over to my grandma's, which I'm gonna pick up the gummies. And oh my gosh, I just remembered that I need to take the dress. So I'm gonna go run back inside and grab it because I forgot it. Hi guys, so this is the ending of my video because I did not get to record so much at the party. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. If you guys want to see more of these type of videos, definitely let me know in the comments and stay tuned. Check out my next video because I'm going to be posting more. So love you guys. Have a wonderful day.